Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to evenly space shapes in InDesign. Let's get started. At first, open your software, then open your presentation or document. Now I am already open my document. Then go to your document shape and select all shape, drag and select all shape, go to the Windows menu and go to the object and layout option, then click align. Now open the align panel, then go to the distribute spacing and click distribute horizontally space. Then you can use spacing, click this check mark and increase or decrease this. Now increase and again click distribute horizontally space, then decrease the size and click distribute horizontally space. Now you can see evenly space shape in InDesign very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.